Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Assalamu alaikum and greetings. AliShanMao here. In my man cave, even at night, it's work time. In this video, let me show you my own simple design, a 3D printed FPV pan tilt mount. If you are a serious FPV pilot, I'm sure you know the value of pan and tilt together. Now there are many FPV pan tilt mounts in the market, but most of them either are very complicated, using two servos and linkages and everything, or they are pretty big. So I went ahead and I said, yes, I have a 3D printer, Creality 3D CR10S sitting right here. Why not? I can design my own FPV pan tilt mount and 3D print it. That's what I did. I 3D printed it, I used it with my GoPro, I went for an FPV flight, and let me tell you, this works simply like a charm. I had lots of fun. Now you should remember that using FPV pan tilt, that's 2 axes, you can always use a head tracker even. Otherwise, if you want to use manual controls like I did with the 2 sliders on both sides of the radio, it still works superb and gives you a lot more beautiful views and more freedom to fly and precision control while you're flying. Now, of course, if you want to 3D print it and use it by yourself, you're most welcome. Follow the link in video description and you can download the files by showing some of your love towards my work. 3D print it and enjoy flying FPV with this compact and really functional FPV pan tilt mount. You can mount any cameras you want on it. You can mount FPV cameras, HD action sports cameras, brick cameras, or square cameras, you name it. And it works simply like a charm. Thank you very much for watching this video and stay tuned for more exciting uploads coming your way very soon.